Hey, what's happening, guys? So I just recorded a whole video and realized I wasn't even filming. So beware, I might start cussing in this video because I did have a freaking ridiculous day. Alright, so let's start it. Fuck! Here we go. Alright, so I had a horrible trading day. Why was it horrible? Because I wasn't in control of myself. So we say, yeah, read the tape, this and that. Read the tape. The tape's going to tell you what to do. Yeah, damn right it will. But if you're reading the tape with other motives in your head while you're reading it, you're not going to be reading it properly, first of all. Okay, do you understand that? So if you're not in the right state of mind, you're never going to fucking read the tape correctly. So I was experiencing a certain behavior pattern today, very common behavior that I've experienced before in my trading, all right? Now, I think I'm maybe short biased in my trading in general, but that's not it. I know I'm not short biased because yesterday I only took long trades, all right? So I'm not short biased. But what I do mess up with is when the market trends aggressively up. I just become delusional. I do not understand aggressive uptrending markets for some reason, and I just become oblivious to the behavior on the tape. All I want to do is be right shorting it. And this happened to me so many times in the last month, probably at least 3-4 times in the last 2 months, where I find myself shorting while the market's in an uptrend, and it's almost like it's become a habit, like a tendency. When I see the market trending higher, I'm only looking for short trades. Why is this happening? It's psychological, 100%. All right, and I have yet to discover the true reason for why, but a large part of it I think has to do with the fact that it's a habit, a bad habit, in fact. And once you get onto the momentum of taking a trade, of taking a certain kind of trade, you keep wanting to take that trade. If you get stopped out break even once, stopped out break even twice, stopped out break even 3 times, for some reason, I want to take the same trade again and be right. Does that make sense? And I was a product of this behavior today. A lot, all right? So I got stopped out shorting at break even at least 12 times while it was trending higher, and some of them were losses as well. So I was just on tilt. So if we just look through this real quick, we can watch the NASDAQ off the open. I traded a couple times in the morning, but after that, there was really the trading that was bad was, well, I had one loss there, and then over here I had a couple of trades. So starting from here, take a look at this. So I'm short here around the 40, I got stopped out. I'm short here around the 50, I got stopped out break even. I'm short again there, I get stopped out for a loss. So just that behavior right there, that's like just completely not in the flow. I was not in the flow with the market at all during this. So this rally off of the 20 handle here, I was expecting it to stop around the 50, 60, and clearly I was wrong. So, but the problem is that I didn't stop right here. I didn't just say, all right, I'm done. I'm throwing in the towel. I had my 3 losers. I messed up. I didn't read the tape correctly. I was not reading it correctly. I wasn't doing what I had to do. And clearly I did something wrong because like the way you're supposed to trade is you're not supposed to take losses. Generally, if you're reading the tape correctly, you're not really supposed to take freaking losses. But if I take 3 in a row losers, it means, I'm doing something wrong now, right? But no, I didn't realize that. I didn't accept that. I didn't say, all right, I'm throwing in the towel and I'm getting the fuck out of here. I didn't say that. I didn't say that at all. But what I did do was I stuck around and kept trying to call a freaking top. And guess what the fuck happened? Trending higher. Get a little pullback. I trade the failure. Trending higher. Get stopped out for a loss. Catch this little pullback. But I'm not happy with 20 handles of profit, am I? Shorted at the 89. It's all the way at 70. I'm clearly not happy with 20 handles of profit, right? So what happens is I get out when I start seeing it popping. I got out around 81 was the fill. Okay, so I took about 10 handles, but I didn't take 20, that's for sure. Here I shorted again for a break even. Here I shorted again for a loss because we're regaining the uptrend. Here I shorted again for a loss or a break even. That time I shorted again for a break even. Shorted again here for a break even. And at this point, I'm on tilt, right? Like I just want to be right shorting it. I have shorted it at least 12 times and again, he stopped out break even. I am not able to sit here and stop myself from trading further. Probably I was past my 1R, past my 3R limit for the day. I was about probably a minus 5R at this point on the day. And I just said, I have to continue. I don't know why I have to continue. It's only 11 o'clock, but I have to continue trying to short this. I have to clearly continue trying to short this fucking market. So what do? I continue trying to short it. Here, I shorted it for no damn reason. Look at this. No reason at all. No reason to short that there. Get stopped out for a loss. You fucking deserve it, asshole. Shorted here, take a break even. Shorted here, take a break even. Shorted here, take a break even. Shorted here, take a loss. Shorted here, take a loss. Shorted here, take a break even. Shorted here, take a loss. Shorted there, yeah, took a break even. So that was just me going on tilt trying to short it. Meanwhile, what did the market do? It went straight up. It just went fucking straight up. Meanwhile, I'm only looking for short trades. So I want to know, how the hell did I end up only looking for short trades while the fucking market is uptrending like a mad dog? Clearly, there's a problem there. Now again, at least the good thing is that I'm trying to let out my emotion through a video here. And some of you might think, hey Chris, you're a fucking moron for doing that. Well, damn right I'm a moron, but if you did the same shit, you wouldn't have known better either. And I guarantee you that if you just started trading, or if you're just getting into trading, and you think I'm a fucking idiot for doing this, then I guarantee you that you're gonna lose all your fucking money trading. Believe it or not. And when you lose all your money, you're gonna come right back to this damn video and you're gonna say, hey Chris, you were right. I lost all my money. Now what do I do? Well, you fucking make a video about it and talk about it. That's what you're gonna freaking do, man. You're gonna make a damn video about yourself screaming at the damn camera like I'm doing, and put it on freaking YouTube and get a bunch of dislikes or likes or a bunch of hating comments or loving comments or whatever they all say. And they're gonna say, hey Chris, I lost all my fucking money trading. Oh, that's great news, buddy. But I told you it was gonna happen. Okay, let's be realistic. I didn't lose all my money at all because IB has pretty strict margin requirements in general. So I'm only actually allowed to trade a one lot on the micros because the margin requirements are so high. To trade a one lot on E-mini NASDAQ futures, the big contract, I need 16.5 grand in the account. It's pretty damn big. So right now I'm only trading $2 a point. So at least I'm not freaking blowing up fortunes here. But it's still freaking frustrating because having 3 green days in a row where you're reading the tape effectively and you have one fucking red day where you give it all back and more, that's fucking frustrating. And what's even more frustrating is when you end up in these patterns where you're just trying to be right. You're trying to prove something to the market. You're sitting there saying, I have to short it now. I have to keep shorting it. I can't go long. I can't go long. I can only short it. I can only short the market because I have to call the top because the trend has clearly finished. I have decided that the trend is over, and that is why I'm only looking for short trades, because there is no chance in hell that we can continue to see higher prices, because I don't understand rallies. Clearly I don't understand trends. So that's it, guys. I just need to let out my fucking steam for today a little bit. Uptrending markets make me fucking delusional. They make me lose my fucking marbles, and I have to go back and review this tape on another day because I'm going to see my own fucking behavior right there. And that's the beauty of recording your screen. You have to go back and see what the hell you did. How the fuck did I lose 10% of my goddamn account today over 25 trades shorting or trying to short this fucking puppy of a fucking NASDAQ garbage market that only trends higher? How the hell did that happen? Meanwhile, yesterday I only had winning trades, and today I'm just on the wrong side of the market entirely. So that just goes to show you is that if you're not in a state of mind, if you're not actively understanding the market, then you shouldn't be trading. You should not be reading the tape because you cannot read the tape if you're not straight up here. If you have other things in your head that are stopping you from going long or short, you cannot trade the market. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.